animals used for special occasions. In North India, the bridegroom usually rides on a horse on his wedding day. During the Dussehra festival, the Maharaja of Mysore used to ride on a heavily decked elephant. Even now, elephants form a part of the Dussehra procession in Mysore. Many foreign tourists visit Mysore just to witness this procession. On 26 January, children who are selected for bravery awards are given a ride on elephants during the Republic Day parade. In South India, elephants are kept in the temples. Sometimes they are chained to the pillars. They do not get enough to eat. Their condition is often very pitiable. Sensitivity towards and care of animals. Animal keepers usually do not take good care of animals. You must have watched men using monkeys and bears to show some tricks and earn a little money. You must have also enjoyed watching these shows. You must have also paid the Madari some money. Do you think that all the money collected by the Madari is used by him to take care of the monkey and in buying food for him? No, only a very little amount is spent on the monkey. Most of the money is used by the Madari for himself and his family. We can keep animals as our pets, but not as our slaves. Those animals we keep as pets should be well looked after. The pet should be given a proper diet. It should have a proper place to rest. It should not be kept in the house or in an enclosed place all the time. It should be taken out in the open and given proper exercise. An animal doctor is called a veterinary doctor or simply a vet. When ill, the animal should be taken to a vet immediately. Did you know? In the wild, dolphins have been known to live for up to 40 years. In captivity, they survive an average of only 5 years. We should save these animals and take care of them. We should be sensitive towards all animals.